If you want to create a Galaxy avatar on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first we need to open settings on your phone. Now over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and then proceed to advanced features. In advanced features, you should be able to find the Galaxy avatar option. We need to grant the permission, all the necessary permissions actually. And then in here we can create the new avatar. So we can press on this section over here, and then you can create the avatar based on one of these presets, or you can create an avatar with your camera. So then the avatar is going to be created based on your appearance. And also you can create an avatar from an image. So let's say I'm gonna use this avatar as an example. We're gonna tap on this check. And then we have the customization. So you can still customize your avatar in case that's what you are looking for. And we can also change your clothes, of course, as well, so be sure to check that out. However, unfortunately, there are some options that are paid, but still, you should be able to find free options as well. And of course, once you are done with the customization, use the save option in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. You can keep creating more avatars if you want to by finding this plus button again. Leave a like and subscribe.